Welcome to my Jamaican backyard garden. This is Gardening with Stacy. One day in the garden. What do gardeners do in the garden? So today I am just looking around and capturing some progress that my garden is making. My cucumber plants are doing well despite how the worms did them 2 weeks ago. There's a lot of blooms and baby cucumbers. So many blooms and baby cucumbers. I am growing 3 varieties of cucumbers at the moment. I'm growing Chicago Pickling, Marketmore 76, and White Spine. I'm seeing a lot of baby cucumbers. Let me show you. I am pretty sure there are more, but let's move on to something else. There's a cantaloupe right here, and another one coming up over here. I am so excited about my tomatoes. I love what I am seeing. I am growing 5 varieties at the moment. They are cherry, oxheart, black zebra, beefsteak, and yellow pear tomatoes. They are getting ready to bloom. It's corn! This was the one that was leaning over last week in my video. Apparently it was, tired, I guess. Well, not the best I've grown based on how I see them so far, but I'm still looking forward to them. I will be happy with whatever I get. I am growing 2 varieties of corn, Golden Bantam and Stowell's Evergreen. Both are sweet corns, but one is yellow and one is white. I also have a volunteer over on the other side. Based on the looks of this, I think it's a regular Jamaican corn. And let me tell you, most times, volunteers do the best. Look at this beauty right here, center of attraction. My zinnias, the little smiley faces in my garden. My scotch bonnet peppers. I can see some little buds pushing out. Wait a minute. There we go. I don't know if you can see them, but they are here and I'm loving them. Looking forward to have my scotches in my garden again. All right, what else is going on? My okra plants. They're doing their thing, getting ready to bloom. My watermelons are blooming as well. I am growing 2 varieties, Tender Sweet and Sugar Baby. Take a look at my peanuts. They are blooming as well. So pretty. More blooms right here. My callaloo or my amaranth has been amazing. You saw my harvest last week and look at it this week again. Doing absolutely well. Very easy to grow and care for. And I can't stress enough that it's packed with iron and other minerals too. Growing callaloo or growing amaranth is a win. Take a look at these beauties. Iceberg lettuce. Just last week I harvested them with you and they are springing up back. Let's go down memory lane a little. Look how they were, guys. Just a few tiny leaves after I got all of this. And now look at them. That is why I like to harvest just the outer leaves and leave the few inner ones to carry on its legacy. Anyhow, my cabbages are looking lovely. Another one over here. My beetroots are looking good. They sure are coming up nicely. Guys, I don't like to see leaf miners in my garden, and sadly, it's always present. Look at this marigold we cleaned up last week. Has a lot of buds ready to bloom. I imagine how gorgeous they will look. The ones I am growing is French marigold. I prefer these. They are not just good companions, but the orange, yellow, and reddish flowers are so vibrant and they attract pollinators. This eggplant over here has been struggling, but look at it now. This variety is Black Beauty. A lot of people ask me how I prepare it. I mainly add it to stir fries and I love it with my cook up saltfish, as we say here in Jamaica. Other parts of the world say codfish. But I'm telling you, it's very tasty in that mix, along with your garlic, tomatoes, sweet peppers, your onions. Just very delicious. I have these sugarcane suckers from the last batch I had that I'm going to plant with you right now. They were very tiny bulbs that grew to this point. I will be putting them in this container. Not sure as yet if this will be their home, but anyhow, let's do this. Guys, you can support me and my channel by purchasing one of my books on Amazon. Yes, I did say my book. It's a great adult activity book you can definitely enjoy. It has word bingo, would you rather, unscramble, this or that, connect the dots, and more. It brings back old memories, make you laugh at yourself, laugh to yourself. It's a very relaxing and fun book, and it does make a great gift. So run on over to Amazon. The link for it is in the description. The cost for it is $10.99. I appreciate you all for your support in advance. Thank you so much. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.